sagging, bouncing, or uneven floors? Standing water or high humidity, nasty odors, or dangerous mold? Crawl space problems don't get better with time, but they do get better when you call APS.
It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the afternoon edition. This is for Thursday, the 2nd of June. I'm James Spann. As expected, we have seen an increase in the number of showers and thunderstorms across the state this afternoon. Some spots getting heavy amounts of rain, gusty winds, some small hail. Tomorrow, the weather will be dry for the northern half of the state. Let's take a look at things. This is the upper air look across the country today. We have a weakening ridge and a surface front pushing in from the north. That's the reason for the increase in rain activity today. There's the visible satellite view. The sky's sunny for the southern half of the state, but thunderstorms are relatively widespread for the northern counties and the central counties as well. That was the radar composite about 2 o'clock this afternoon. Some heavy storms coming through the Birmingham metro at that time. And again, at the moment, all of the storms are below severe limits, but the heavier storms are producing some small hail and strong gusty winds. Where the rain is falling, we have 70s. Birmingham down to 71. Haleyville 72. Tuscaloosa 75. Where the rain is not falling, some spots are at 90. Sylacauga 90. Demopolis at 91. There's the watch warning map. We have a severe thunderstorm watch for parts of the mid-Atlantic coast region, including Washington, D.C. and Baltimore. Here's the severe weather threat for the rest of today and tonight. Got that slight risk around Washington, D.C., Richmond, and Baltimore. A marginal risk extending down into the deep south. This includes that part of Alabama north of a line from near Grove Hill to Prattville to Roanoke. And like we've talked about, the main threat coming from small hail, strong gusty winds. Tomorrow, the marginal risk pushes down into South Alabama, basically from Mobile over to Phoenix City, Eufaula, and Dothan. And it's the same thing. Some of the storms there might produce some small hail and strong gusty winds. There is the wider view tomorrow. That marginal risk extends up to the coast of the Carolinas. We have a marginal risk over the southern tip of Florida with our tropical system, and also a chance of severe storms on the lee side of the Rocky Mountains. And on day 3, which is Saturday, the marginal risk again for the Florida Keys with a tropical feature and a marginal risk out across parts of the Great Plains. Here's the rain for the next 7 days. Heavier rain totals north and south of here. And quite frankly, a lot of that's falling basically today. This is suggesting rain amounts of about 1/2 inch or less. After today, much of the state will be pretty quiet for a while. So in the tropics, our ghost of Agatha, now with a 90% chance of becoming a tropical depression within the next 48 hours. The system will be scooting across the southern tip of Florida on Saturday, and the main issue here will be rain, and lots of rain, especially south of Lake Okeechobee. This is suggesting rain amounts will be in the 6 to 10-inch range for cities like Miami, West Palm Beach, Fort Lauderdale, Fort Myers, and Key West, a big wetdown for them. So model fans, let's go. Here's the GFS. This is the 12Z run, valid tomorrow at 4. Again, we've got broad troughing over the east, and the northern half of the state will be in a dry air mass. The southern half of the state will have a chance of scattered showers and storms. For the northern counties, highs only in the low 80s, the sky partially sunny. Not bad at all for a June day. This is Saturday. Beautiful day. Sunny. Many spots will start the day in the 50s, the high Saturday, mid-80s. And again, for us, lots of sunshine. A tropical low is over the southern tip of Florida, producing heavy amounts of rain way down there. But no impact at all for places like Gulf Shores, Destin, Panama City Beach, the central Gulf Coast. This is Sunday. There might be a few small, isolated, spotty showers. Most places dry. The sky partly to mostly sunny, highs in the mid to upper 80s. Monday looks pretty dry, the high close to 90, and that's kind of the idea for the week. This is Tuesday and Wednesday, and understand there might be a brief shower somewhere, but most places dry. This is a week from today, Thursday, June the 9th, troughing over the northeast, and once again, nothing more than isolated showers. We'll go out 10 days. This is Sunday, June the 12th, ridge in the west, a trough in the east, and evidence we might be in slightly cooler and drier air if this forecast verifies. But again, we all know this is 10 days out. This could easily change. Rain for Birmingham off the GFS ensemble, the mean between now and the 18th of June, about 2 inches. Temperatures 84 tomorrow, 89 Saturday. The next week, mostly low 90s, maybe mid-90s on a couple of days. And hot off the presses, got the brand new 8 to 14 day outlook. This is for the period June 10th through June 16th. Temperatures for the northern counties below average. For the southern counties of the state, temperatures could be a little above average. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this afternoon. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 6 o'clock tomorrow morning. If you can't catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening and God bless.
Cracks in brick? Cracks in block? Call Alabama Professional Services. Leaning or bowing basement walls? Call APS. Sticking windows or doors? Call APS. Settling or sinking foundation? That's right. Call APS. It's a fact. Foundation problems don't get better with time, but they do get better when you call APS. Call Alabama Professional Services today.